Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Rivals video. Today, we're checking out Update 21, and I'm going to show you all of the newest and fully working Rivals codes you can redeem right now. These codes can give you free keys, exclusive rewards, skins, weapon wraps, and other awesome in-game items without spending any Robux. I've gathered all of the latest active and newly released codes, so make sure you stay until the end because you definitely don't want to miss any hidden or limited time rewards. Every code in this video has been tested after Update 21 and is currently working. But remember, some codes can expire at any time, so redeem them as quickly as possible before they disappear. And before we jump into the codes, I'm also hosting a special giveaway for Roblox Rivals players. A few lucky winners will have a chance to receive free keys, exclusive items, premium rewards, and more. Want to join? Just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username below. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important giveaway details. As you can see on the screen, I currently have over 1 million Robux. And yes, the giveaways are completely real. You could be the next lucky winner. Now let's stop wasting time and get straight into the newest Roblox Rivals codes from Update 21. If you don't know how to redeem them, don't worry. It only takes a few seconds. Open Roblox Rivals, tap Shop, select More, and then press Codes. Scroll down, enter each code exactly as shown on the screen, and claim your rewards. Remember, some codes are case-sensitive, so make sure every letter is entered correctly. Follow along, redeem every active code, and grab all your free rewards before the codes expire. With that said, let's begin redeeming all of the newest and fully working Roblox Rivals codes from Update 21 right now.